Aria? No, those are folded. You cannot throw those. You can throw that sock. I haven't found its batch yet. Go ahead. Oh, I see. Is it not as much fun if there are... No, my sock. Mine. Don't you throw that stuff. It's folded up. Not that pile. Not that pile. Keep that. Would you have flinging socks off the bed? Yeah, I'm not going to find all these. I know it. These are mine. Mine. Mine, mine, mine. I dare ya. That's my belt. Here it goes. Hey! Well, that was folded. What are you doing? You trying to wear my shirt? This is how Aria helps with the laundry, everybody.
So she unfolds it as fast as you fold it.
Faster, actually. Where's Aria? There she is. Okay, now fold it.